This is a video showing how to repair a broken latch on a ClipperCreek J1772 connector, and I'm calling this Type B. The Type B is identifiable by seeing this little lock area in the lever, and then there's 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those screws are a T10 security bit required to remove it, and we can take those ones out. With the 6 screws out, the clamshell can be separated with a flat blade screwdriver or a knife. You take this off. Inside, you can see a number of features, starting with the lever that runs along this length. There's a spring in this area that allows it to push back up into its neutral position, and there's a switch here. So to take this out, I'm going to lift this lever upward, but I'm going to catch the spring so it doesn't fly away. So the spring's out and the lever's out. To put them back in, you reverse this operation. You slide this back into position. I don't have it thoroughly down, so I'm going to put the spring in at the same time into that spot and push it all down, push the switch down, and now it's ready to have the clamshell go back on. The screws are back installed, and this thing works as intended. You can see the lever moves back and forth. And see what it looks like from the top. The original lever looks like this one. I sell on eBay a 3D printed copy of that under the handle briggsjc. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.